Okay, so if you go, you should have a indicator already telling you you have to do some checks. But if I go on vehicle info, vehicle status, you see that one is in red. Now tire pressure, no, it's check mark, it's okay. If I go on check control, if I go on service required, sorry, then you have all those ones, and the brake fluid is showing in red. Press on it, service overdue, please make. So it was due a few months ago. Car is braking very well, so just check the fluid and then you just need to reset that. It's just set up to do that at certain interval. It doesn't mean you have any issues whatsoever. But I will check the level, and I know already it's a little low, but it's not a problem. So let's go and check that. Okay, so you might struggle finding the location unless you're going on YouTube or checking your manual, but actually brake fluid is hidden. You have that trap, so I think you need to remove actually you need to slide that one here and just remove that lid, and then that's your brake fluid level or container. Just remove that, and actually it's flush, so you see the max line and the min line. It looks like I'm right around here, so it's missing just a tiny bit, but it's still above the min level, so it's not an issue. I'll try not to drop the bottle. I would add just a tiny bit. The level is now right on the arrow of the max line, about, it's plenty. So now I'm gonna show you how to reset that, and then you don't have to deal with it anymore. Of course, don't forget to put back the lid. Snap it here, put back that little blocker in place. Okay, press once on ignition. That's a service due. Hopefully I can zoom in. Here we go. So I press on the button in the corner here. Brake fluid reset possible. I press again. Engine oil. So it's possible. Then I'm going to press and hold on that. Reset. Press and hold again. Reset. Reset in progress. Reset successful. That's all you need to do. Then you can check on that, but it's already updated here. If I was going back out, now the brake fluid says okay, it's in green. Next due date is in 3 years from today. Turn off and you're done. And I use some DOT4, but again, check your manufacturer specification. That should be what is indicated, but I'm not by any means saying what should be used on that. Okay, hope it helps you guys.